Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in this episode, we're going to take a look at Gyre Therapeutics, Inc., ticker symbol GYRE, a positive preclinical drug results presentation play. Before we begin, I want to remind you that if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. And just to let you know, we called out the following runners on our premium private Discord channel this past week. ATGL, which ran 108%. MRAI, before it ran up 143%. SGBX, which ran up 206%. We also called out APLM pre-market last week before it ran up 133%. And finally, we also called out SGD back on November the 9th, 2023, a week ago, at 40 cents a share. And also this past week pre-market in our premium private Discord at 49 cents a share, prior to its parabolic run-up of 1,430%. It also ran up to $7.50 a share in after hours. That's a 1,775% run from when we first called it on November the 9th. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with Gyre Therapeutics, Inc., ticker symbol GYRE, which is located in San Diego, California. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ clinical stage biopharmaceutical company with a $37.24 million market cap and 7 employees. Gyre Therapeutics, Inc., was previously known as Catalyst Biosciences, Inc., is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the development and commercialization of liver fibrosis remedies associated with a broad spectrum of chronic liver diseases in the United States and internationally. It develops hydronidone, which has completed a phase 1 clinical trial for treatment of non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a severe form of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The company was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Actually, it's San Francisco, not San Diego. Now, let's turn our attention to the recent news. On November 13th, 2023, there was news that Gyre Therapeutics, Inc.'s lead drug asset, hydronidone, was being investigated for the treatment of metabolic dysfunction-associated steatohepatitis. It's MASH-associated liver fibrosis in the United States. Now, Gyre's poster presented at the American Association for the Study of Liver Diseases, their annual liver meeting on November the 10th through the 14th in Boston. It demonstrated the potential anti-fibrotic effects of hydronidone and its expected mode of action in mouse hepatic fibrosis models. Charles Wu, PhD, the chief executive officer of Gyre Therapeutics, stated he was very encouraged by these preclinical results that supported hydronodone's candidacy as a potential treatment for liver fibrosis. He said that his team and their collaborators showed hydronodone's ability to remedy liver fibrosis by inhibiting the activation of the hepatic stellate cells with special tumor growth transforming deterioration agents. HSCs are recognized as being a big factor in the process of liver fibrogenesis, with the tumor growth as one of the key mediators. He said the company looks forward to initiating the clinical program of hydronodone in the United States in 2024. Now, the price action for GYRE went from $9 a share on Monday, November the 13th, 2023, to a high of $15.25 a share on Friday, November 17th, 2023. Trading volume went as high as 100,000 shares on Friday, November 17th, as well as slightly higher than its 10-day average of 61,000 shares. Not a lot of volume just yet, but let's see what happens. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We are just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to read critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Gyre Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol GYRE, is a publicly traded NASDAQ clinical stage biopharmaceutical company in the healthcare sector that has presented some very positive preclinical results from its lead drug treatment for liver disease this past week. GYRE is a company that we will be watching. It needs a lot more volume, but with the right continued increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading soon. Will GYRE run parabolic? Well, only time will tell, and another news catalyst wouldn't hurt, but we will see. Of course, we would need to see continued volume increase before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion. And I will have GYRE on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.